Nice to meet you. Okay. All right. Okay. Where was I? Yes. So this brick, what you can do is either you can use this as an architectural panel. This is a non-load-bearing brick, or at the same time you can introduce mycelium here. So these are our working prototypes. This is a candle pot, right? It's a candle holder. It's still in the growing phase. So if I take it out, bake this, it will be a solid candle pot, right? At the same time, this is a plant holder, right? And that's a cup. So for the cup, if this grows and I cover it in beeswax, this will become your normal paper cup hota hai na? That paper cup, but 100% biodegradable and negative carbon footprint. So if you dump it in soil, it turns back into spores. Honestly, that depends on the weather conditions, environment. अगर controlled environment में grow करोगे, so basically this wall, इसका cycle 4 weeks का था, जिसके अंदर fully covered थी mycelium के अंदर. And this is a lot of mycelium, right? These are like really thick bricks. Yeah. Or अगर this wasn't in controlled environment cycle, this literally we grew this under our beds, in our rooms. Yeah. So, so अगर आपको छोटी चीजें करनी है, that'll take much lesser time. That's what we're experimenting with right now. This wall is there for that exact reason कि अगर हम 5 months तक इसका लाइफ साइकिल चेक कर रहे थे कि अभी इसकी रिसर्च क्या, so now it's at the stage of decomposing, right? तो अगर हम इसको large scale पे करना, obviously we need, the first thing that we need is a clean space, right? We need a lab to be able to properly produce mycelium that doesn't go bad. So large scale में हमारा idea यही है कि first we'll reach out to B2C customers जहाँ पे packaging and disposables, ये दोनों चीजें हम replace कर दें from styrofoam and plastics. Yeah, disposable. No, disposable cups. So you know how disposable का एक right? एक life cycle है, you use it and you throw it. That's a lot of waste. This, put it in soil. It'll depends on how you're using it. Yeah, if you put it in soil, it'll decompose. Yeah. No, so shelf life again. This we're still in the testing phase. So अगर हम beeswax में इसको coat करेंगे तो depends on how long, like you know किस condition में रखा हुआ है क्या है उस तरह से होता है. But beeswax is generally considered कि this has been around for 2 years. This is a 2-year-old book. Yeah, and this is perfectly fine. But cup है वो थोड़ा पतला होगा, beeswax में covered होगा. So we're not sure कि उसका भी कितना लंबा लाइफ साइकिल, because that is something that we're testing right now. It would be much less because, as I said before, हम कचरा use कर रहे हैं. We literally went to local corn vendors, coffee shops, got their waste, and then we introduced spores in these spaces. The maximum cost होगा वो electricity का होगा. अगर हम solar कर लें तो वो भी नहीं होगा. That's pretty much it. It's a very low. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm the co-founder of this company. The founder, she's not here right now, but basically this was her thesis project. This wall was her thesis project. You can see she's built non-load bearing structures. Obviously that's a 3D render, that's not real, but that was the idea. And then we decided कि हम इसको B2C level पे एक startup कैसे बना सकते हैं. So this is what we're doing. And we also made a book to create awareness about mushrooms. So that's an ebook. It's available on YouTube right now. It's an audiobook ebook, which we're planning to pitch to schools and libraries for free. This is like just to create awareness that something like this exists, because mushrooms का यहाँ पे concept थोड़ा सा shaky है. Yeah. Any other questions? You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alaikum assalam.